What's up, everybody? Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully you can see my screen. Unfortunately, my connection dropped just before the previous stream started, the original link for the stream. But I fixed it, and here we are, ready for the US opening time. So, welcome to Crypto Wizards. Welcome all. We're gonna have a look at the US opening today. What is likely to happen here on a BTC chart. We can possibly take some day trades if there will be any opportunities. So what do we have here? Well, BTC is currently still hovering around the VWAP. We took a pretty nice short position off of the VWAP, gave us some small mini scalp. We took this with the Wizard members. So in the end, nice short. I call it here quite a lot of trapped longs, which I can cover this very quickly. So basically the thing that we are looking for, or the thing that I was paying attention to, was simply order flow, zooming in, and what you can see from here. Well, going to the VWAP, which as we all know, if you are new here, you will know it very soon because we use VWAP a lot. But a VWAP is a really good support and resistance level for some intraday trading. What we got here was 5.9 million buys, and the following candle 5.5 million. So a lot of buying into the VWAP. Price not able to heavily break through it. We also created some very CVD divergences. This was for me the thing where I was taking a short position. So simply what we did, set quite a lot of trade longs into VWAP. I'm in a short. We were targeting Euro POC. For me that was a TP. So if I'm gonna show you the TP at the time, the Euro POC was at 29,600. So we basically took it back to the bottom after a retracement down there, and this was a TP. Then we got a bounce from the daily from the daily POC and 618 and 66 Fibonacci retracement tool. So overall today, pretty good trading. So far the levels are being respected very well. Then we got a push to the upside, ended up in a swing failure pattern up here. Once again, if we will go to the Delta cluster template, and I'm gonna zoom in, you see a lot of buyings. POC of the candle at the top, 3.6 million buys with 13 million on the candle before. This could have been another short. Honestly, I wasn't taking this one. It seemed to me like a too risky trade. But what we are looking for, in 4 minutes, we're going to have a US opening time, so we're going to get some volatility in the market, most likely. What I would be looking for is, since we are still getting some bearish divergences overall today in a downtrend, I'm going to talk a little bit more about this, but more bias to the downside. Doesn't really mean that we will go to the downside. It's only 4-minute bias. We will be trading in charts. But yeah, in my opinion, we have more probabilities that we're going to get another rotation down. We will see, obviously, how US is going to open here. So the levels that I would be looking for, we have some naked POC above us and below us. So the naked POC, I would be paying attention to 28,500. This one, I gave this level yesterday on a stream for Wizard members. So this could have been a nice short position for me. It was happening at midnight. I wasn't able to take a short position here, but you see that we basically caught the absolute top of the chart with this naked POC. Then we got a rejection to the downside from here. So levels we are paying attention to. Naked POC down there, 28,500, could be another rotation down. Also, we are in a daily downtrend. This is giving us some probabilities or possibilities that we will go down once again. We are below VWAP right now, but obviously Asia started with a heavy downtrend. Europe continued, but then we started to create some local uptrend. So right now we are in a local 5-minute uptrend. Wouldn't be paying like too much attention to it. We still can get another leg to the downside, which is honestly the thing that I would be looking for here. But we will see what's going to happen once we can reclaim the VWAP. So the VWAP, very important level here. Once we can reclaim this, we can continue higher from here. We will see how this will go. Candle, first time here. What's up? Welcome on the Crypto Wizards. Hello. Hi, Tony. So yeah, we have 1 minute until the US opening time, so let's get ready. We have one key level above us, which I forget POC. Let's go with Asia. Coordinates set to 30,360. Will be level. Simple plan right now. We're just gonna wait if the new back to the VWAP and move to the upside. That would be the thing that I'll be looking for. High GP 30,600 at all right now. And here we are. New York is opened. So we are currently at the TPO POC. Okay, we have a single prince above. So I'm sorry, we have a single prince to fill above. For me right now, very important to reclaim VWAP. If you want to continue higher, right now I'm not in any single position. I closed 70% of my short. This was meant more of a day trade. I was actually looking lower, but this was just a big intraday support. I was taking 70% of the profit here.